We're Chad and Dorothy, and we are the chicken farmers for Nutrafarms.
What we've got into is a program that's called the local niche markets, and we are the only farm in it. By being in the local niche markets, we can control how our chicken is processed and then who it gets distributed to. We stopped really dealing with free range and we call it pasture. That says these birds are physically on some type of forage. Our birds live 100% outside 24/7 for roughly the last half of their life. Our chickens get to scratch in the dirt. They're getting iron from the dirt. Our chickens, they just get to breathe fresh air every day. We believe that it's the best way to raise a bird is out on pasture. Our daily routine is that we move these chickens onto fresh pasture every single day, so they are never on the same piece of ground more than about 24 hours. So we try to move these pens basically before the dew's off. All the bugs are still down into the grass, and so when we move it, they get all the fresh bugs as well, because the bugs are too cold or too wet to fly away, so they get to eat that. And then the next big thing is, we have alfalfa, we have clover. So this is what the plant looks like before. Look what it looks like after. Okay? So these aren't dumb birds. They don't want to eat the crappy stuff. They leave the stem, but they pluck it of every leaf on the pen. Sustainable farming means that we try to minimize the amount of external inputs. So that means that we're trying to buy the least amount of fertilizer. We're not buying outside seeds and chemicals and any kind of things to sustain our farm. We're using what's produced on our farm to sustain our farm. So the manure that our chickens produce feeds the plants that grow on our farm that feeds the chickens. So we try to keep everything in a cycle within the farm as much as possible. We try to use a lot of renewable energy. We try to use low energy buildings. We have 4 little kids that we want to make sure develop to the best of their ability, and the best way to do that is to feed them good things, and we know that pastured birds are better for you.
If you buy from Nutrafarms, then you are supporting farms like us, farms that want to be sustainable and farms that want to grow for the future.